Did you ever dreamed about having a factory in your house or in your computer at least? This is a video made for you. It's how me, beginner on Blender, I designed just a little belt. Yes, because before having a whole factory, you need to have one belt to convey your items from one point to another. And before I will be able to make a factory, I need to be able to do that. So I made some stuff that is a little bit circular, and this is made of tiny parts, so it can rotate around an angle. I then used the shading and animation things to make it look more like something that has layers. Like this you can just see the scene moving, because if my texture is just one, you will not see the whole scene moving. So this is a little camera around that will turn around, and I have some cues to make the scene animated, and you can just turn around and see what's going on. So this works pretty nice, so I just need to make some other stuff around it. It will not be for the next weeks, because after I will make some cars. So stay tuned and see you for the next days. Thank you.